recently represented a young girl who was sexually abused by her high school coach. The school was part of the archdiocese. She's a very bright and kind young girl, but she came to us in an intense state of shame and fear. And that was because not only was she violated by someone she trusted, that person was enabled by an institution that she had trusted her whole life. So the trauma she went through was deep, it was complex, and it was truly life-altering. This case, not unlike all sexual abuse cases, came down to notice. In other words, what the institution knew about this perpetrator before our client was ever harmed. And in this case, through interviews and discovery and depositions, we were able to get some very, very key documents and testimony that established that this school knew they had a predator working at their school and did not do anywhere close to enough to meaningfully investigate him. And had they looked into credible complaints that had come to them over the years, our client would have never been harmed. So over time, as the case went on, we had so many documents and credible testimony establishing this notice that our case for liability became very hard to dispute. It was clear to me that my client needed accountability in different forms. We all know that the primary purpose of a civil lawsuit is monetary compensation, but it's important to look into all the additional ways an institution can be held accountable. That can be done through an apology, changes in policies and procedures, changes in training. In my case, it became clear to me that my client needed an apology. It was important to her, and it was very valuable to her, and not just to her whole family. So we made that an essential term to resolve the case. Our client eventually got an apology in person from a senior priest with the archdiocese. I like to think that was a really powerful additional term that put her on the path to moving forward with her life.